The dangers of driving your BMW X5 with an oil leak. The significance of addressing oil leaks. Discover why addressing oil leaks in your BMW X5 is crucial. The role of motor oil in engines. Learn how motor oil reduces friction, controls temperature, and prevents corrosion within the engine. Understanding reasons for oil leaks. Explore the common culprits behind engine oil leaks. Cracked gasket or seal. Find out how damaged gaskets and seals can lead to oil leakage. Clogged oil filter. Learn how a clogged oil filter can result in oil leaks due to increased pressure. Faulty oil pan or drain plug. Discover how a damaged oil pan or drain plug can lead to oil leakage. Problems caused by oil leaks. Understand the serious engine issues that can arise from oil leaks. Engine overheating. Learn how low oil levels can cause engine overheating. Engine seizure. Discover why a lack of motor oil can lead to engine failure. Rusty components. Understand how oil leaks can lead to corrosion and costly engine damage.